Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am headed to the Montego Bay Beauty Expo. Today is Sunday, the third day, so I'm walking in right now. Oh my god. So I'm walking in right now. Let's see if I can find this. So right now I'm just walking to see what I like and to tell mommy about it basically.
Jamaica International Beauty Expo. Can you tell us a little bit about the raffle?
Oh, I think this, I'm not sure this is where I like is. I think it is. Oh my god, guys, so it's lit. Hi guys. Hi.
So nice.
Thank you, you too.
Look down. Your eyes, your lashes is so good.
Okay, so right now they're giving a presentation. I'm gonna give you guys a look-see.
Alright, hopefully, alright, let me have somebody else to come and choose, please. Another person to come and choose.
I'm gonna take a walk from the competition. Yes. Okay guys, so I'm just walking through here. Why do I feel like I ended up where I was before? Okay, so we have some Herbalife. Yummy. Hey guys, I forgot my lip gloss in the car, so yeah. But I got to see Lyric and I'm passing by like a bunch of different booths. Okay, here's a barber. Okay guys, so apparently there's a contest being held on
Good afternoon to you. We have a gentleman here from Dr. Ventry from Herbalife. Good afternoon, sir.
Hi there. Hello, beautiful people. How are we all?
Hi.
It's good to know. It's good to know.
So I'm saying hi to my favorite ladies from Fontana. So here they are. Hold on. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi.
Oh, is that my girl Shannon?
Yes.
So good to see you.
Yes. Today Today's my first day.
Girl, you should have had a table or a booth or something. You should have been in the competition.
I'm shy. So are you guys having fun? Yes.
Every single day, and I keep feeding the birds. So I'm here to
So guys, come and shop Fontana.
Number 52 with
Okay, so it's time for the judges to deliberate the winners.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for sitting down and of course enjoying the competition that's on stage. Remember, coming up in a matter of seconds, we have a fashion show, all courtesy of Earl's Fashion. That's coming up later on. All right? Presenting sponsor. All right, and we have a gift here, all courtesy of the presenting sponsor. Tell us a little bit about financial services and the products that you offer.
All right, we're here supporting the Beauty Expo. Young entrepreneurs willing to take the
For
risk.
the entire family, we have cosmetics, we have toys, we have household items, decor, souvenir items. We also do,
Especially cosmetics.
we have stationery, we do printing, we do several services there, including makeovers, which we are doing.
Guys,
You
right
get
now,
a
I'm
complete
at
shopping
Fontana's
experience
and they're also
coming
giving a
to
mini
our
speech
store.
on stage
And
right
of
now.
course, you cannot find friendlier, more inviting
And I got
staff.
controllers there.
It's all good
won a
inside,
prize.
and what's happening right now on stage, we'll get with that.
So right now I'm walking to go get something to drink because I am dying of thirst.
And you will receive
Started announcing the winners already.
Jane Packet from Jody King and Fontana. Will our representative from Ghana and or Laura please make your way backstage?
Hey guys, so right now I'm sitting down because I am tired. They're about to have a fashion show in a little bit, so I'm waiting for that, and then it's gonna be over by 7. So right now this is my face after a few hours, and I just bought this lip gloss from the Black Radiance booth. It's the shiznit. Okay guys, so I'm currently leaving the Beauty Expo. It was really fun. Had a great time. So yeah, and I got some goodies from the Black Radiance booth, and now I'm heading home. Yes. It feels really weird vlogging. Making our way downtown, walking fast, faces passing and homebound. Dun, 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 dun.